Hello student, today I am going to start a new chapter, new topic, that is switch. Switch, S-W-I-T-C-H, switch. Java provide a multiple branch selection statement. Switch is a part of selection statement. We know there are two types of selection statement provided by Java. One is if and one is switch. One is if and one is switch. So we have explained, I have explained all the parts and the programs of if statement. Now I am going to start the new things, that is switch. So Java provide a multiple branch selection statement known as switch. Okay, switch will execute an option. Switch will execute an option out of many available options. Switch execute an option out of many available options. There are lot of options are there, out of which switch will execute only one option that option supports the condition specified. The condition is specified by user. If the condition is true or condition is matched with the switch expression, that option will be executed. Therefore, student, Java provide a multiple branch selection statement known as switch. Switch will execute an option out of many available options. Okay. Now, see the syntax of switch. Switch expression, this is the parenthesis bracket, opening curly bracket, case constant 1, now the marks of colon, not the semicolon, this is the colon marks. Case constant 1, statement and break. Again case constant 2, the statement and break. Case constant 3, the statement and break. Same way 1, 2, 3, 4, as much as case we can specify as per the requirement of program. Case constant number n, statement, break. Okay, break. At last, default, statement and the closing bracket. Student, this is the syntax of a switch. Switch expression, opening bracket, case constant 1, colon, statement, break. Case constant 2, statement, break. Case constant 3, statement, break. And like that, case constant 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, till case constant n, statement, break. And at last there is a default statement. So in this syntax, you can see switch, case, break and default. The four new words are here: switch, case, break and default. So student, write switch, case, break and default in the above syntax. In the above syntax, switch, comma, case, comma, break and default are the keywords. Okay, student, switch, case, break and default, these four are the keywords. So that's why these all should written in a small letter, small case. Now see how this syntax will work. Okay, so I am explaining. If you want to write, you can write also. So first of all, let me explain. What happens, student? First of all, the switch expression will be evaluated. Switch expression will be evaluated, and after evaluating the switch expression, the value of this expression is comparing with the case constant numbers. The value of switch expression is comparing with the case constant numbers. Okay. If the value of expression is matched with any case constant, suppose the expression, switch expression, the value of switch expression matched with the case constant number 2, in that case constant number 2, in that time the statement of that case will be executed. The statement of that case will be executed. Okay. First of all, the switch expression will be evaluated, and the value of switch expression will come successively comparing with the values of case constant. Okay. If the value is matched with any case, that particular case statement will be executed. Okay. Now, therefore, what is the uses of break? Break is everywhere. Suppose the expression matched with case constant number 2. Therefore, the switch expression, the value of switch expression matched with the case constant number 2. Therefore, the statement of case constant number 2 will be executed, and the break statement is used as a terminator of switch. This break statement will terminate the control from the block of switch. The break statement terminate the switch block. Means as soon as the case constant 2 will be executed, the statement will be executed, the break statement will terminate the switch block. Okay. So this way this will work. Then what is the work of default? What is the work of default? So sometime what happens, the value of switch expression does not match with any case constant number. Default is an optional part of switch, when it will execute when any of case constant number will not match with the switch expression. At that time the statement of default will execute. Okay. So default is an optional statement. It will execute when no case constant will be matched with the switch expression. So this is the explanation of syntax of switch. I am explaining the syntax with one program. With one program.